Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Scoop app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Scoop is a carpool and commuting app designed to connect drivers and riders for shared daily trips. The app aims to reduce commuting costs and traffic congestion by matching users with others going the same way. It offers schedule syncing, route optimization, and in-app messaging to facilitate smooth coordination. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Scoop for helping them save money on fuel and offering an eco-friendly alternative to solo driving. The app's ride matching and reminders improve reliability, and some workplaces integrate Scoop to encourage sustainable commuting. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users experience occasional mismatches or last-minute cancellations. Its effectiveness depends on user density in your area, which may limit ride options in less populated regions. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Scoop app may be worth using if you're looking for a cost-effective, environmentally friendly way to share your commute. It excels in convenience and community building, but may have limitations based on location and active users. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.